going to be showing you how to make kids' animated videos using AI.
In the heart of a magical forest, Lily met Luna, a gentle elephant with shimmering silver tusks. Luna's magic filled the forest with wonder, but one night, the stars began to fade.
We're going to be doing this into 5 steps. The first step that we're going to do, log into www.openai.com, log into ChatGPT. After we come into ChatGPT, now we're going to write a prompt. Generate a kid's story, fictional story, kids non-fictional storyline with a magical elephant and a young girl. This story takes place in the magical forest with beautiful night sky above. This story should be no more than 250 words. Okay, and generate. The next thing we're going to want to do is, in the first step, is to go over to Midjourney, and here this is where we're going to be creating all our characters. Go to www.midjourney.com. You're going to sign in. A magical elephant that is gray in color with pink in the ear. Then we're going to send the prompt. Now this is the result of the prompt that you sent, and you're going to want to have to do this for all the scenes and characters that are in the story, depending on what ChatGPT gave you. You'll see here I'm doing it for different parts and different scenes in my story. When you've completed that, then you're going to download all of them individually. After that, you're going to go to 11 Labs. This is where you're going to get the audio for the characters. You're going to sign into 11 Labs, or you're going to create an account if you do not have an account already. It's going to be asking you some questions. Then you're going to fill out all the questions that it's asking. Go to ChatGPT, you're going to copy, and then you're going to paste the script. And where you see text, you're going to paste the script for the storyline in there. Then if you notice up here, you can change the accents. You can change if it's a male or female. Depending on what you want, you can choose. And then you can preview the audio by pressing generate. I don't have it right here, but you'll hear it at the end. Then you go to Runway, you create an account, or you can log in. This is going to put everything all together for you. I know I'm going a little bit fast, but bear with me. All the images that you had saved, you're going to go to home, then you're going to select start with image. You can either start with text or you can start with image, but since we have the images, we're going to select start with image. So you select start with image. You're going to select upload, and the upload is going to take you to your download folder on your computer. You're going to select each image individually, and it's going to be uploaded into the software. Then you select generate. Generate is going to take it from a still photo to a motion picture. It's going going to take a little while to generate the motion picture, but once it does, it's going to look something like this. Then you're going to want to do this for every single image that you downloaded, every character, every scene. Once you've compiled everything, you publish them individually. Then you're going to go to CapCut. You save them to your computer, then you go to CapCut, and then you're going to upload them in order of how the story goes. And the final storyline is going to look something like
In the
this.
heart of a magical forest, Lily met Luna, a gentle elephant with shimmering silver tusks. Luna's magic filled the forest with wonder, but one night, the stars began to fade. Luna turned to Lily for help. Together, they embarked on a quest to save the night sky. Through dark woods and sparkling streams, they journeyed, their bond growing stronger with each step. Guided by Luna's wisdom and Lily's bravery, they faced challenges, crossing ancient bridges and outwitting mischievous fairies. But they pressed on, their determination unwavering. At the edge of the forest, they found the source of the fading stars, a wicked sorcerer draining their light. With Luna's magic and Lily's courage, they defeated the sorcerer and restored the stars to their rightful place. The forest rejoiced, and the night sky sparkled once more.